Hi, this is Tim Nixon.
And I'm Amy Nixon.
And we are the Nixon Group.
With Tempest West Valley Realty. Today we're here in beautiful Sun City, Arizona at the U.S. Open for lawn bowling.
This lawn bowling tournament has 350 participants representing over 10 countries. We're here today to talk with Bill Pearson, who is a longtime Sun City resident and a very avid lawn bowler.
Hey Bill, tell us a little bit about lawn bowling.
Interesting sport. Most of the people that move to Sun City are clueless when it comes to lawn bowling. It's a kind of sport that doesn't exist outside of retirement communities in California. And I say that kind of tongue-in-cheek because there's pockets around the country. It's easy to learn, it's hard to perfect.
So how are the greens here, Bill?
We have the best greens in North America. The rec centers recognize that the lawn bowlers here want good greens and are willing to pay for it. And so they come from all over the country. They don't get any better than what we have right here.
How did the lawn bowling club get set up here in Sun City?
In 1960, actually September of 1959, Del Webb was talking to Walt Disney. And Walt said to him, you should put a lawn bowling green in. Well, Del kind of scratched his head and said, what? He was trying to create that new active way of life. And lawn bowling, there was none in Sun City, or in Arizona at all for that matter. So they built a green down at Oakmont, and lo and behold, people started turning out like crazy to take up the sport. So it was an instant love affair. By 1974, they had 1,400 lawn bowlers in the community.
So what made you move here to Sun City?
I moved here because of the self-governance. I love the idea that we would literally run ourselves, that if something needed to be done, all you had to do is go, I'll do it. And of course, when you volunteer for anything, you know what happens. When Del Webb built Sun City, they built it in a fashion that was all about, you want to live here? Take some ownership. If you don't take ownership, yeah, it's a city of volunteers. So when I moved here, I knew that I was going to get involved in every organization that was there, because in the end, that's how you made the value and the values of Sun City explode.
So, how does everybody get around town in Sun City?
A golf cart. Let's go check out our cool listing.
So now we're going to go check out our awesome new listing. You know, everything's close here. The whole city is only 7 miles long and 3 miles wide. So let's go check out the new listing on Willowbrook Drive. Here we are at 10829 West Willowbrook Drive. This is a great example of all of the opportunities you have to remodel homes in Sun City for both investment strategies and for retirement. Now you see a beautiful brand new home in an old established neighborhood. So Amy, where are we located?
We are on Willowbrook Golf Course. This is one of the 11 golf courses here in Sun City. This home is priced at $474, which is one of the higher priced homes here in Sun City. But you're on the golf course, you have 2 water features, you have the white tanks behind us, you've got this gorgeous pool, which we call the Arizona Bath.
And don't forget, sunsets here are killer.
Yes. I say we live in a vacation.
And you know, we like golf course lots because you get to see all the green grass, but you don't have to take care of it.
Thank you so much for watching another episode of American Green TV. If you know of anybody looking to buy or sell here in Sun City, Arizona, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or Tim.
Thanks, guys.